Hello, welcome to our reception music assembly. We're listening to this man. He's called Yo-Yo Ma, and he's playing a cello. Can you see in one hand he's holding a long stick? It's got some long thin hairs tied to it all together, and they've got some sticky stuff on them called resin, and it makes them slide across these long strings which go all the way down the cello. When he moves his fingers down this black part of the cello, it makes the strings shorter. When he moves his fingers back up along the strings, it makes the strings longer. The shorter they get, the higher the notes. Higher and higher and higher. The longer the strings get, the lower the notes. That word is pitch. Pitch tells you how high or how low something is, the sound. I love this piece of music. Now, let's have a look at this picture again, because he's playing with his left hand. He's controlling the length of the strings, moving up and down, wiggling his fingers. And with his right hand, he is moving the bow across the strings. Can you have a go? Can you play the cello? It's quite difficult to do one thing with this hand and a different thing with this hand. Maybe you'll get to see the video clip of Yo-Yo Ma playing. I really love the sound of this. It just makes me happy. I hope you will have a go at doing a drawing while you're listening to this. It's so beautiful. Let's have another listen. What sort of thing could you draw while you're listening to this? How does it make you feel? It makes me feel really happy. It just makes me want to smile. Can you imagine somebody dancing while they were listening to this? What would they be doing? Would they be moving quickly? Going fast? Or would they be moving slowly? Going really slowly? Do you think their movements would be quite sharp? Or would they be gentle and soft? Maybe that will change what you decide to draw, what colours you will choose. Some people, when they hear music, they see a colour. They will say, oh, this sounds very green to me, or oh, no, this piece of music is orange. Choose some colours, make yourself a drawing, and enjoy this beautiful piece of music by Johann Sebastian Bach.